Imagine yourself amongst lush rainforests reaching high above the clouds, breathtaking waterfalls descending into freshwater springs, an abundance of free-flowing rivers, and miles of pristine beaches.
Welcome to the Costa Ballena, Costa Rica's incredibly diverse southern zone, where the mountains meet the ocean and thrilling adventures await. In Costa Ballena, frolic or surf in the warm, safe waters that resident dolphins and visiting whales call home. Fly, drive, or hike above the canopy, where multitudes of tropical birds, plants, and flowers flourish in their natural habitat.
See our version of a nightly entertainment, sitting on the sand and watching the sun dip over the Pacific Ocean, creating a vibrant, colorful painting in the sky. All the while, knowing that scarlet macaws, monkeys, and sloths are sharing this magical view.
Eat a fresh prepared meal from one of the many delicious culinary options, or meander through the stalls at one of the local farmers market and prepare yourself some classic Costa Rican favorites using local organic ingredients.
Costa Ballena is a place to become inspired. The natural majesty that surrounds us is just the backdrop for something even more special, the community itself. Costa Ballena is made up of hard-working people who, together, ensure that our home remains beautiful and healthy for all to enjoy. Our collective commitment to preservation and sustainability is a model for the whole world.
Come join us in Costa Ballena and experience the best Costa Rica has to offer.